Cape Crystal brand's Carrageenan is widely used as a thickening agent because it can attract water, be ethically harvested, has excellent industrial food processing plants properties, and is pretty inexpensive. Carrageenan is a vital food specialty additive widely used within the food industry. Carrageenan consists of three main types: kappa, iota, and lambda, all available from Cape Crystal brands. Kappa Carrageenan provides a brittle yet robust gel. In contrast, iota Carrageenan offers a cohesive and thixotropic gelling behavior. Both kappa and iota are produced from farmed seaweed. Lambda Carrageenan exists only in wild-growing hybrid seaweed. It provides a thickening and creamy viscosity with a full-body mouthfeel. Since it is the only Carrageenan that is cold-soluble in water and milk, Lambda is unique. Modern uses for Carrageenan in food include veggie burgers, soy milk, beer, ice cream, and yes, even chocolate milk. Lambda is a unique extract as it is the only Carrageenan able to dissolve and function in cold milk. All other Carrageenan types need to be heated to a pasteurizing temperature to dissolve. This ability makes Lambda Carrageenan the only choice for stabilizing cold, instant dairy powders. For ice creams and soft serve, Carrageenan is one of the critical components in the stabilizer blend. Its ice cream stabilizer functions to control consistency and ensure that the ice cream's texture remains smooth with a good stand-up. It assures a creamy melting behavior at the time of serving to prevent ice crystal growth during freezing, hardening, and storage. There is a powerful synergy between Carrageenan and milk proteins. It makes Carrageenan an essential and cost-effective additive for a wide range of dairy applications. Apart from controlling the texture and stability, the Carrageenan will also improve the overall quality and extend the shelf life of the finished dairy product. Try it for yourself and see. If you mix a teaspoon of Lambda Carrageenan with your milk and chocolate syrup, you will not only prevent it from separating, but you will produce a much richer taste and mouthfeel to your chocolate drink.